name's Martin. I'm from Drone Days FPV. I've had a couple of people ask me to vlog about what we're trying to do with the racetrack in the northeast. This is my first time vlogging. I'm a builder. I do building work during the week and then I fly my drones at the weekend. I've suffered with a lot of depression, and FPV flying has helped me get through it, through all the coronavirus shit that we've had. And well, we'll see how it goes from here. I'm on my way to Scream Factory to go and see if they'll allow us to fly on their premises, because if we can get a track set up where we can get everything indoors, we don't have to comply to CAA regulations, so we can fly any size drone if it's big enough. So yeah, I'll put another bit up once I've been for the meeting, and we'll see what happens from there. See if we can get this mobile so we can bring it to people around the country. And if anybody's interested, please follow me on Drone Days. Thank you. So I've just finished my meeting with Scream Factory, and they've agreed to give us a piece of land to go ahead and do the drone flying. I've got some video footage. I'm gonna edit it and see if it's any good, and then I'll post it.